Wish you very wonderful morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Anshu Naram from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, our today's topic is flowers. Kids, we see flowers in garden, on trees and on plants. We see the colorful flowers everywhere. They look very pretty. Kids, we use the flowers for decorations and sometimes to gift our near and dear ones too. So kids, have a look. I have so many colorful and beautiful flowers in my garden. Let's come. This is aster. This is aster. This is rose. This is rose. This is hibiscus. This is hibiscus. And this is dahlia. This is dahlia. This is daffodil. This is daffodil. This is lotus. This is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Now this is marigold. This is marigold. This is tulip. This is tulip. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. This is lily. This is lily. Now this is jasmine. This is jasmine. And this one is pansy. This is pansy. So kids, it was just an identification of flowers. Now we will read their names and spellings from the book. Let's come. So kids, now open your GK and conversation book, page number 20. Now we will read the names and spellings of flowers. So let's start reading with me. Keep your finger downside the word. This is periwinkle. This is periwinkle. Let's read the spelling with me. P-E-R-I, peri, W-I-N-K-L-E, winkle, periwinkle, P-E-R-I, peri, W-I-N-K-L-E, winkle, periwinkle. Now move to the next. Which flower is this, kids? This is champa. This is champa. C-H-A-M-P-A, champa. C-H-A-M-P-A, champa. Now this is tulip. This flower is tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Now this is mogra. This flower is mogra. M-O-G-R-A, mogra. M-O-G-R-A, mogra. Keep your attention, kids. This is the next flower. Lotus. Which flower is this? This is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. So let's read the spelling with me. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Now this is, which flower is this, kids? This is rose. R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Now move to the next. Which flower is this? This is jasmine. This is jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Now move to the next. This is shoe flower or hibiscus. S-H-O-E, shoe, F-L-O-W-E-R, shoe flower. Or we can say this flower hibiscus also. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Now the next flower is marigold. This is marigold. M-A-R-I, Mary, G-O-L-D, gold. M-A-R-I, Mary, G-O-L-D, gold. Marigold. This is marigold. Now the next flower is lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. Lily, lily. The next is, this is sunflower. SUN, sun, FLOWER, sunflower. Sunflower is only flower which faces the sun. SUN, sun, FLOWER, sunflower. Now move to the next. This is daffodil. This is daffodil. DAFFODIL, daffodil. DAFFODIL, daffodil. Now kids, we will revise these names again. This is periwinkle. Which flower is this? Periwinkle. This is champa. This is champa. Speak with me kids. This is tulip. Which flower is this? Tulip. This is mogra. This is mogra. Now move to the next. This is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. This is lotus. This is rose. This is jasmine. This is jasmine. This is shoe flower, or we can say hibiscus. Now move to the next. This is marigold. This is marigold. This is lily. This is lily. This is sunflower. Which flower is this? Sunflower. This is daffodil. This flower is daffodil. So kids, now we will learn some questions based on flowers. First we will read the question and then we will learn the answer. So let's read with me. WHICH, which. IS is OURRNATIONAL, national. FLOWER, flower. Which is our national flower? Tell me kids, which is our national flower? The lotus. The lotus. THE, the LOTUS, lotus. The lotus. IS is OURRNATIONAL, national. FLOWER, flower. The lotus is our national flower. Which is our national flower kids? The lotus is our national flower. Move to the next. WHERE, where. DODFLOWERS, flowers. Where do flowers, GROW, grow? Where do flowers grow? Where do flowers grow? Flowers grow on plants and trees. Now read the answer. FLOWERS, flowers. GROW, grow. on PLANTS, plants. ANDTREES, trees. Flowers grow on plants and trees. Flowers grow on plants and trees. Where do flowers grow? Flowers grow on plants and trees. Now move to the next question. WHICH, which. FLOWER, which flower? GROWS, grows. INWATER, water. Which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. The lotus grows in water. THE, the LOTUS, lotus. GROWS, grows. INWATER, water. The lotus grows in water. Move to the next. WHICH, which. FLOWER, flower. ALWAYS, always. FACES, faces. THE, the SUN, sun. Which flower always faces the sun? Which flower always faces the sun? The sunflower always faces the sun. Which flower always faces the sun? The sunflower always faces the sun. Now read the answer. THE, the SUN, sun. FLOWER, sunflower. ALWAYS, always. FACES, faces. THE, the SUN, sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. Now we will revise these question answers again. So learn with me, kids. Which is our national flower? The lotus is our national flower. The lotus is our national flower. Where do flowers grow? Where do flowers grow? Flowers grow on plants and trees. Flowers grow on plants and trees. Which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. Which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. Which flower always faces the sun? The sunflower always faces the sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. So kids, do practice to learn these names and spellings of flowers and question answers from the book GK and Conversation, page number 20. And don't forget to revise the previous topics also. Bye bye. Have a good day.